Now it's seen.
So area related to circles, in that different areas we have to learn. Areas, perimeter formulas we have to learn, and we have to calculate different shaded region areas or the given region, given areas are required areas we have to calculate. So area of a circle, that is equal to formula. We have to learn the formulas first. Area of a circle is
Pi r square.
pi r square. Pi value is depending on its given. It is, you can take it as 22 by 7 or 3.14. So whatever it is given, that we have to use it. Not given, then you can use according to any one of them, you can use it. Then circumference of the circle.
2 pi
Circumference,
r.
that means a boundary.
2 pi r.
That is equal to 2 pi r. Then semicircle. Area of semicircle. Semicircle is half the circle, half part of the circle.
1/2 pi r square.
That
Pi r
is
square by 2.
1 by 2 pi r square or pi r square by 2. Then circumference of semicircle.
Pi r.
Pi.
So that is 2 pi r by 2. That is equal to pi r. Sorry, pi r. Perimeter of semicircle. What do you mean by perimeter here? What is the difference between circumference and perimeter?
It's the same thing.
It's the same.
Same.
No.
The semicircle means the perimeter means the diameter is also included.
Diameter also includes. Circumference means only the curve part. The perimeter will include this base also. So that is the diameter of the circle. So therefore, in the perimeter of the circle is circumference plus diameter. So that
Ma'am,
means it
so
is pi
Pi
r
r
plus
plus
2r.
ma'am, circumference of circle and perimeter of
Circumference
circle.
of semicircle.
Yes, ma'am, this is okay. But circumference of circle and perimeter of circle will be same.
Same, because it has only curve part.
Yeah.
So therefore it has only circumference. But in case of semicircle, it has a curve part also. And if it is, you enclose it, close it, then it has a diameter also. So you have to count that one also, no? Then the sixth part is arc. What is arc?
The curved part.
Any part of the circumference is called as arc. This is the arc. Now length of this arc can be calculated. We can calculate the length of this arc. So this arc is some part of the circumference, the full circumference. Now this arc we always calculate in terms of its angle subtended at the center. So arc length we can calculate in terms of the fraction of the circumference. And how to calculate that fraction? This fraction part, some part of the circumference. So how much part of the circumference, how to calculate? How to calculate the fraction with which this circumference, that arc is a part of the circumference. So that is calculated in terms of the angle fraction. So if this is theta, the full angle is 360. So the full circumference makes the angle at the center as 360. Out of that, this part AB will makes only angle theta. So how much part that AB is? Theta
360.
by 360. And this is the part of circumference. So therefore it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r is the length of arc. Clear? So length
Can you
of
just
the
repeat
arc,
that?
Yeah, ma'am.
length,
Can you
one,
just
one,
repeat
one,
it?
one, late, I'm doing. So length of the arc is what? Only this much length. Distance. This distance we have to calculate. If we make a whole circle, how much angle? So this is the part of the whole circle circumference, right? Now this is, if you cut this, it will cover a full area. But I need to calculate only this much length. This is my arc. If we convert them into the circle, then this length I need to calculate. So that means this is some fraction of the total circumference, right? So to calculate, how to calculate that fraction? So for that you have to first find out the how much angle this AB subtends at the center and how much angle the full circle subtends at the center. How much angle this arc AB subtends at the center is theta, and how much part the circumference subtends at the center? 360. So how much this fraction is? This theta is how much fraction of the total?
Theta by 360.
Theta by 360. And this much fractional part of circumference of the circle is the arc. This is circumference of the circle, not 2 pi r.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how much part of this? Theta by 360 part. Clear? Now for example, take it. That is, this is a circle. I will cover this one, divided into 4 parts, equally 4 parts. So that means now full circumference is, how much is this part? 1/4. So how can you calculate it is as a 1/4 only?
Because totally there are 4 parts.
4 parts. The total circle is 360. Out of this is the one circle. So how much area, this one, angle it will make? Or for example, this one. So it is only makes the 90-degree angle. So 90 degree out of 360. That means 90 by 360. This much part of the whole circle it is made. It is 2 pi r. So therefore it is 1/4. Clear? Now you can divide the circle into whatever the number of parts. Now this circle, if you divide into whatever the number of parts, equal parts, every part, how to divide this many, how many parts has been done? In the same way, how much ever the circles part you have done, total circle, it subtends the similar way, this internal angle also divided. That many equal number of times, the internal angle is also divided.
Yes, ma'am.
So to calculate how much this fraction of the total circle, what actually we are calculating in terms of this angle calculation we are doing. Able to understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't understand the
Can you
last
repeat?
part. Yeah, just the last part.
This is, you divide the whole circle into whatever the number of parts, right? Now, how many divisions of the whole part is done? Suppose you have done it is 100 parts. You have divided the full circle into 100 part. I need to find out circumference is divided into 100 parts. This arc, this is the length of the arc. So now 100 divisions you have done. That means each arc is 100 times lesser than the total circumference. 100th time of the total circumference.
Yes, ma'am.
Now that we have calculated because we have divided that many times. And the similar times, the 100 times you are dividing these arcs. The similar way, the angle at the same time, if you join these arcs, this internal angle is also divided 100 times.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means how many 100 times? So therefore we are now every fraction. Then how to calculate this one length? 100 times the circumference is also divided. and 100 times is that particular arc is also dividing the center angle, right? How many times the circumference is divided, the same number of times this center angle is also divided equally.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal division has been done. To find out the fraction of this arc, what we can do, the fraction of this center angle we can do, no? How many times this arc is divided, the circumference is divided to obtain this arc. The similar number of times the center angle is also divided by that arc.
Yes, ma'am.
If I'm dividing the circumference 100 times, then the center angle is also divided by 100 times. The center angle made
Yes,
by
ma'am.
these arcs at the center. So the center angle 360 is also equally divided into that many parts. So to find out this fraction of the circumference, I will take the fraction of this center angle. Clear? So therefore, the fraction of the center angle is theta by 360. So these many times, the total circumference is also divided. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So the length of the arc is calculated by this formula. Theta by 360 fraction into 2 pi r. So this is the length of the arc L. Now this arc, the total circumference is divided into 4 parts. Therefore, the center angle is also divided into 4 parts, equal parts. So therefore, this arc subtends how much angle at the center? How much part of the fraction this arc is doing? 1/4. And that is equal to the center angle divided by that arc. The 360 is also divided into 1/4. So therefore, we don't know this arc, how much fraction. So we will calculate the fraction in which that center angle is divided. So therefore, this is the fraction in which center angle is divided into circumference. Clear this that formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is area of sector. What is sector? What is the sector of a circle?
Area bounded by two radii.
The space between the two radii. The part of the circle between two radii is called as sector. The piece of the cake cut out from the center. That is called as sector. The diverse area or a space of the circle between two radii is called as sector. So here O, A, B. So here I can give the name P and this is Q. So O, A, P, B is a smaller part of the circle. So therefore it is called as minor sector. And O, A, Q, B, the remaining part, non-shaded region, is called major sector because it is a more part. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now how to find out the area of this? Area of sector. Now this is also here in earlier case the length of the circumference is divided. Here to find out the area of the sector, which part is divided?
Area of the circle.
Area of the circle is divided. And how to find out the how much fraction of that area is divided? That is again we have to take it with the center angle. If center angle is theta, the total fraction of the circle has been done by that sector is theta by 360. Whose part is done? areas part is done. So theta by 360 pi r square. Clear?
Yes.
Fraction into area. Is that clear? How much angle? Theta is the angle subtended by, theta is angle subtended by sector at center. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then perimeter of sector. Perimeter means outer boundary. So the sector consists of this radius, and this is APB arc length. So this is radius plus length of arc. So 2r plus 2 pi r theta by 360. This is the length of the arc, r plus r, 2r. 2r plus 2 pi r theta by 360 is the perimeter of the sector. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Segment. What is segment? What do you call a segment?
Area bounded by an arc and a chord.
This is the chord. Chord divides the circle into two areas. Each part is called as segment. Chord divides circle into two parts. Each part is called segment. Smaller area, minor segment, larger area, major segment. Now how to find out the area of this? This area we have to calculate. APB's area. APBA's area we have to calculate. For that we have to join endpoints of the chord to the center. Now this is OAPB is a sector, and from that if you subtract triangle area you will get the segment area. So segment area direct formula is not there. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle included in this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is for minor segment. For the major segment, how to calculate? If you want to calculate for major segment, then if we got the value of APBA, how to calculate the major segment area?
Then total area minus APV.
Yeah. Total circle area, area of a circle minus area of minor segment. Clear?
So it's basically like the whole circle minus the area of sector.
Yes, segment. Major segment.
Yeah.
Minor segment, sorry. And one more thing left out, that is the area of ring. How to calculate the area of ring? Ring means the distance between two concentric circles. So this is the concentric circles. Then area, this ring area you have to calculate. How to calculate?
We have to subtract the area of smaller circle from the larger circle.
Okay. So area of a ring is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So outer circle radius, suppose it is considered as r, and the inner is small r. Then we can write as pi r square is the outer circle area, pi small r square is the inner sector area, circle area. So pi r square minus r square is the area of ring. Clear? Write down all these formulas. These are the formulas we have to use in this chapter.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Mithun?
Ma'am, after this surface area, ma'am.
First finish this. This is 3 week time needed.
Yes, ma'am. Because we have test. I think on that.
No, this will take much more time.
That is the last chapter, no, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the last chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, they told us that the half yearly is starting from October 3rd.
Okay.
After finishing this, just for a second, can you scroll up? I just want to cover that ring formula, which you gave.
I capital R, outer circle, area of outer circle minus area of inner circle.
Okay, that's it, right? Yeah.
Completed?
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Starting with the NCRT. First, all 3 exercises of NCRT we need to finish. Be ready for doing calculations. The radii, this is a first 12.1 exercise, first question. The radii of 2 circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumferences of 2 circles. So the 2 circles we will consider as R1 as 19 and R2 as 9 centimeter. We have to calculate the radius of the required circle. So circumference of third circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle. Right?
Yes.
So 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Take 2 pi common. R1 plus R2 is equal to 2 pi r. This 2 pi cancelled. So radius of the third circle is equal to R1 plus R2.
28, ma'am.
19 plus 9. That is equal to 28 centimeters. In a similar way, second question. Now areas are similar. Areas of two circles are 8 and 6. Radii of two circles are 8 and 6. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of areas of two circles. Do exactly similar way. Try.
Ma'am, it's similar to the first one only.
Yes, exactly same one. Area of third circle is equal to area of first circle plus area of second circle.
Ma'am,
Is it
radius is
10
10.
centimeters?
Yes, 10 centimeter.
Ma'am, is it 10 centimeter?
Yes, right? Third one. 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with 5 scoring areas from center on outwards as gold, red, blue, black, and white. The diameter of the region representing the gold score is 21 centimeter. Each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the following the 5 scoring regions. So that means area of each part you have to calculate. So for that you have to keep finding the area of every circle and subtract the earlier one. So for the gold is diameter is 21. So radius will be, so this diameter is 21. So radius of gold is R1, 21 by 2. So find out the area of the gold. Pi R square, 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 7 3s are 2 11s are. So that is 33 into 11 by 2. Find out this value. 21 3s are 63. 6 90. 69 by 2. 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 6 are 0.5 centimeter square. Now area of second circle, that is which include the red part. So now here width is 10.5. This is the gold. Radius is 21 by 2. And this part is again the width of the red part is 10.5. That means again 10.5 means 21 by 2. So how much is the radius of the outer circle here? How much is the radius of the circle? Second circle.
21 by 2 plus
Plus 21 by
21.
2.
That is equal to
42 by
20.
21 by
Yeah,
2 plus
21.
21 by 2. That will
21,
become
yeah.
21.
Yeah.
42.
So pi r2 square, that is equal to 21 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 3s are 15. So it is 66 into 21. 21 6 are 126. 126 plus 12. 138. 1386.
1386, ma'am.
This much. Then area of the red will be this minus this. 1386 minus 346.5. This is equal to
104.
1039.5 centimeters square. So keep finding for the blue. Now every time this is 21 by 2, this part is 21 by 2, this is also 21 by 2. So earlier one is 21 plus 21 by 2. This radius is 21. In that add 21 plus 2. That is equal to 63 by 2. So keep 63 by 2 and then keep calculating. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. 'Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we should do for the blue one. We should subtract the area of blue by 1039 or
No, this is second circle. No. So that is for blue one. You will subtract the outer this boundary minus this whole part. Whole part is the area of full circle, second circle. That is 1386.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for area of blue, I'm getting like 99 minus 1386.
How is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
99.
Yes, ma'am, 99.
How it is possible? Tell me where you, who will do R square? You have done only R. There is R square.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it again.
For area of blue, is it 2079.5 centimeters square?
This much it will come.
Ma'am, for the black, is it 2569.5?
How much you got?
2569.5, ma'am.
No. 2425.5. 2425.5. Better one thing. Do. I thought this will be easier for you. So now, first see, R1 is the radius of the gold one. What is the radius? 21 by 2.
21 by 2.
R2, the second circle, that is equal to, radius of the second circle is 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2. So this is equal to, you can write 2 into 21 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 into R1. For the second circle, you will get 2 into R1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So R3, blue full circle from the center. It is 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2. This is equal to 3 into 21 by 2, which is
It's
3
3 into
R1. So R4 will come 4 into R1. This is for red part. Red plus gold. This is blue plus red. Fourth one is for black
blue plus black.
plus blue, and R5 is equal to, that is black plus white. That it will come 5 R1. Now the area of gold you already calculated. That is equal to 346.5 centimeter square. Now for the second area, second circle area, which includes red plus gold both. So that is equal to pi R2 square. So pi into 2 R1 square. So that is equal to how much? 4 R1 square, 4 pi R1 square. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the area
Yes,
of
ma'am.
first one. This is the area. The first one is pi r square, pi r1 square. You got 346. Here we got 4 pi r1 square is the second circle. So what is the area of red part? 4 pi r1 square minus pi r square, pi r1 square. Right? The second circle minus gold you have to subtract, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is 4 pi r1 square minus pi r square. That is 3 pi r1 square. So you calculated this value. So 3 into 346.5. So this is equal to 15, 1, 9, 18, 19, 12, 13, 9, 10, 1039.5 centimeter square is the area of red part. Clear? We got this 1039.5. Now area of blue part. For that you need to calculate area of third circle. Is equal to pi r3 square. So pi r3 square is pi 3 r1 whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
equal to 9 pi r1 square.
Yes, ma'am.
So area of blue one is equal to third circle minus area of third circle minus area of second circle.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the third circle area? That is 9 pi r1 square.
9 pi r square r
And minus second circle area is
pi
4
r1
pi
square.
r1 square. 4 pi r1 square. So total area of the blue one is
5 pi r1 square.
5 pi r1 square. Pi r square value you have. So 5 into 346.5. That is equal to 25 to 32, 3, 20, 23 to 15, 17, 1732.5. Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The similar way do for white and black and white. Black
Will you
one.
scroll up?
Question is for how many marks, ma'am?
Till now they are not asked.
They have not asked this, ma'am.
No.
I think because of the calculations they didn't ask.
Where it is calculation? I shown you, no? How much calculation you have done?
No, ma'am. You thought as this method, ma'am, but usually
Usually.
In our school, like this particular question can got like 2 pages, like 2 whole page, like 3 whole pages, I guess. Only for this question, like full with all the working on everything.
Now you got it? Actually, I gave you a hint of this chapter. by solving the beginning method. Actually, in this chapter, you are not going with the straightforward method. You have to use this kind of a tricks. So you have to work on those tricks. Don't try to go with the straightforward method. Clear?
Ma'am, can you? Yes, ma'am. Can you just show me the
Yes,
question
ma'am.
once, ma'am?
This full chapter is like that. Actually, when you will solve, you will do much more calculation. When I will solve, I will do 1 or 2 calculations. If you got that part, then you will be succeeded in this chapter. This and the next chapter.
Ma'am, in the school we started this chapter today and we finished the first exercise.
Good. We also finished only one chapter, one example left out.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. This one. Now you can calculate the white black area. For black area, 1, 2, 3, fourth one.
Ma'am, can you please scroll it little more, ma'am? I like down. I just wanted to see.
Ma'am, but if we use these tricks and all, won't they cut marks?
Why? Why
Ma'am,
they will cut marks?
Ma'am, because
What
we
is the
get
extra?
less calculation?
Where is the extra stuff I have included? Tell me.
No,
Anything
ma'am,
apart from the normal calculation I have used?
no, ma'am, but like this is more shorter. So won't they cut marks in asking?
What they have asked?
What they have asked? They've asked us to find the
Area of those
area
bands,
for-
rings. You calculated?
Yeah.
Done. There are many more, dear. This is a very short question. Many more to come.
Ma'am, this is itself like a trailer for me.
Now, how is circle chapter?
Okay, ma'am, this is easier than last year's circle, though, for me.
Yeah, ma'am. This chapter is easier than last year's.
For me, last year's was like a nightmare.
Ma'am, these type of questions are 3 markers.
Yeah. Got this? This calculation you have to do properly, which we have to subtract from which part that you need to know properly. So now what about this one you got? Fourth circle area is how much you got? 16 pi r1 square.
Yes, ma'am. So
Then the black part is
I
16
got it.
minus 9 as 7 pi r square, right?
Yes, ma'am. So
7 into
5.5.
yes, 2425.5
0.5
centimeters square.
centimeters square.
And then for white part,
I'm doing that.
Ma'am, 3118.5 centimeter square.
yes, that means you got 25 minus 16, that is 9. 9 you will get. No. You got outer one as 25 pi r1 square and then 16 pi r1 square. That means you will get it 9 pi r1 square. How much you got?
Ma'am, 3118.5 centimeter square.
No, that is in terms of pi r1 square.
Ma'am, I didn't do it that way. Actually, I finished the question before you were doing this method.
Okay. Yeah, 9 into pi r1 square.
Yes, ma'am. It is 9 into
9 into 346.5. 3118.5.
Ma'am, it's a 3118.5 centimeters square.
That's right. So one more question you'll do and then leave the last question. Done earlier one?
Everyone, have you finished earlier question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The two students, other?
Ma'am, I have little more to do it, ma'am. I'll do it.
The wheels of the car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. The wheels are 80 centimeter diameter. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? You have to calculate number of revolutions. So you need to know that is number of this one revolution. How much is the distance covered?
One circumference.
Distance covered in one revolution is equal to 2 pi r, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 2 pi r. Here it is in 80 centimeter diameter. Diameter is 80 centimeter. So what is r?
40 centimeter.
40 centimeter. So that means 2 into pi into 40. That is 80 pi is the distance covered in one revolution.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to calculate number of revolutions. What they have given, in 10 minutes it has traveled this much with this speed. So how much is the distance covered? Total distance covered is equal to
Speed into time.
total distance covered is equal to speed into time. So speed is given in kilometer per hour. So first we will find out distance in kilometers. So we'll keep this 66. And time we will convert into hours. So how many 10 minutes is equal to how many hours? 10 by 60 hours.
1 by 6 hours.
So 1 by 6. So how many this is? 11 kilometers. So 11 kilometers is the total distance covered. 11 kilometer, but this is in centimeters. So we need to convert kilometer into centimeters. 11 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 1000 meters and into 100 centimeters. So 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. These many centimeters is the total distance covered. So one revolution distance covered is 80 pi. Then distance covered is 11 on that 5 zeros. These many centimeters. How many revolutions? Direct proportions, right? So find x. X into 80 pi is equal to 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x is equal to 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, do we cross multiply it?
Direct
Yeah,
proportions.
it's direct proportion, no? Divided by 80 into 22 by 7. So this 7 will go
One
to the
more is given.
numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 7 divided by 80 into 22. 11 twos are 11 ones are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 0 cancelled. Now here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 by 8 into 2. 4 twos are 8, 4 25s are 100 and double 0. Now 2, 1, 2, 5, 0. 1250 by 2 is 625. 625 into 7.
Ma'am, 4, 3, 7, 5.
17, 14, 17, 42, 43, 43, 7, 4375 revolutions. Clear?
Yes,
I've
ma'am.
done with very simple method. I've not done any tricks. Simple method I've solved. Very easily I have done. In one revolution, how much is the distance covered? That is equal to circumference of the circle. So this is the circumference we got. I am not substituted value. I am not calculated anything. And then how much distance totally that wheel has covered. So they have given 10 minutes it has traveled, and this was the speed. So I need the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 66 km per hour, 66, and the time you need to convert into hours. So that way I have done 11 kilometers, we got the distance. But this distance is kilometer, this is in centimeters. So we need to calculate convert it into the centimeters. So we converted it into the centimeter, and I have done direct proportions. One revolution, this is the distance covered. To cover this much distance, how many revolutions? Because number of revolution increases, that means number of distance, amount of distance covered will increase. So that means it is a direct proportionality. So unitary method is used. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine then. You can leave. Tomorrow is a test, so you study for that.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, any homework?
No homework. Tomorrow study for the test.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please scroll it, ma'am?